Anyway, so today I was going to do a kind of a quick share on the Jane Davenport workshop, the Making Faces workshop, which is free. If you didn't know, if you go to her website, she has the Making Faces workshop. And I recently did it a couple weeks back because I did buy all the supplies and I used them when I first got them, and then I hadn't used them in a while, so I thought it would be fun to do the workshop and maybe use them again, get some techniques going. So basically, if you have her supplies, and here's something that's kind of interesting is that I noticed that they're selling her supplies now. The Making Faces is at Hobby Lobby and it's no longer at Michael's, which I don't know why. What happened there that Michael's isn't selling it. So my thing is, I wonder if Michael's clearanced all her stuff out, if it's really cheap. They weren't selling it at every Michael's, only certain ones, and none of the ones near me had the stuff. I had to kind of travel far to buy all this stuff. Another thing is, besides Hobby Lobby, you can get this stuff on Amazon, and sometimes it's cheaper on Amazon to buy than it is on at like Hobby Lobby. Of course, at Hobby Lobby you can use coupons, but you only can use one 40% coupon. So if you're buying, I would check prices. I'll put the links down for Amazon below. Especially if you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you. Let me just go over what we did in the workshop. So in the workshop, it's a bunch of videos, and it was good. I mean, I'm glad I didn't pay a lot of money for it. It wasn't, she didn't go over doing everything, but basically you make kind of this book. So you make the journal using the sheets from this pad, which I actually photocopied some and made some extras. I used some of them, I had messed up a little bit, and so I photocopied some, and then you can also use the ones in here. They're kind of like the same size. And you make this, and I'll just kind of show you. So basically you put these together, and you put them together kind of using washi tape, and then you fold it up and it makes a book. So you kind of tape them together, then you make this thing, and now mine's all coming apart. But basically it makes this book. And I mean, you can watch, it's free, you can watch it and go through it. So I'll just kind of go through. So I made this, and it's kind of fun because she shows you how to kind of incorporate using all the pastels, the sticks, the paints, the drama sticks. You use these. You also use you can use your brushes, and you know, you kind of use a bunch of all the materials. Like, she'll go through and show you how to use them all. And so I made this page, and I kind of followed along what she was doing. Hers is similar. And then you flip it open. She doesn't show you how to do every page, so she only kind of shows you. I'll show you the ones that we did. So we did this page, and then she did do let's see, the three girls, and I kind of messed mine up, and I'll show you. I went over it. So then we did this one. This one I think I did on my own. This wasn't one that she had done. This one was using like the gel press, using different paints in the jelly press. And then this, I think I had the three girls here and I didn't like it, so I just covered them up over here. And then that's it. So those are the ones that she kind of goes through and shows you how to make. This one with the gel press, this I made on my own. This one with watercolor, and then this one. And then she kind of shows you how to rebind it all back together and stuff. So anyways, I just thought I would show you, like, if you wasn't aware that she had this free workshop, you can just go to Jane Davenport, JaneDavenport.com. You can sign up for the workshop if you're having this stuff and you haven't used it and you want to get some techniques on how to use the materials. She also puts the paints in there and stuff, and it's definitely worthwhile since it's free. It's if you have the materials, because again, I used them in the beginning and I hadn't taken them all again, and I really do like playing with it. It's not something I generally use, and you know, you actually can use it in other art stuff. It doesn't have to be with her stuff. You can use these materials with your other stuff. So it was good trying to have a reminder, because a lot of times I buy Jane Davenport stuff and I don't use it. Like, I'll buy it because it's the big hype and she really promotes her stuff really well, and then I wind up not using it. So it was nice to take it all out and use it all again. Not being at Michael's anymore, it's at Hobby Lobby now. I'm not sure what the story is there. My friend told me that she mentioned it in a video, but I didn't see it. And again, you can get it on Amazon, and I've seen this stuff a little bit cheaper because her stuff is pricey. So if you're going to buy one thing at a time, go to Hobby Lobby. If you're going to buy a bunch of stuff, I would just probably go on Amazon or something. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.